Just remember, time flies if you're having fun.
Very true.
Alright, you heard her. Come on in. We're gonna sit right here on the left, right hand side.
Watch your step, use those handrails. While you're watching your step, lower your expectations too. It's too early in the morning. Come on in, guys. Go all the way down for me. We don't believe in personal space here. Or personal hygiene. If one of you guys want, you guys can also sit right here in the center block as well. Whatever you'd like. Goodbye to everyone else. We will never see them again. Welcome aboard, folks, to the World Famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Savannah, and I'm going to be your skipper for as long as we get today. I get paid to take people out, not bring them back. Just a few safety rules as we head deeper into the jungle. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat at all times. And parents, please watch over your children. And if at any time during the cruise you do happen to drop something overboard, please raise your hand. I'm going to raise my hand and we can both wave goodbye to it together. We just passed through the rainforest. Did you guys happen to miss it? Coming up on your left, you're going to see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where world famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is in search for his lost treasure, but I'm not sure that he's looking all the way in there because I'm right here. Hello? And coming up on this side, you're going to see our world famous tiger. Fun fact, you can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we are completely safe. We're only 15 feet away. He'll jump right over us. And right over there, that's Ginger. Ginger snaps. She is one tough cookie. We're now approaching into the Indian elephant bathing pool, and this is actually quite unheard of. They all have their trunks on. You guys can go ahead and take your pictures. Right up ahead, we have Bertha. She's in the shower for Will. She's not going to happen to get in the shower. She's turning to an outfit. It almost happened to me once. I'm just kidding with you guys. I don't actually shower. Oh, you guys might want to start ducking. Or, no, I'm not kidding. Everyone duck, 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 duck. Goose. I'm just kidding with you guys. I'm just a little dry humor. I've never taken any real danger. I smoke way too soon. We're now heading into banana country. Wait, hold on. A girl with a gun. Looks like he's calling all the shots around here. Now, is anyone already yelling today? No? I think we're all pretty safe. Just don't make even in a sound or movement. He finds it very appealing. That's okay, we're gonna skate. Right side forward, let's go! H2O! Okay, anyway. We're not even gonna dive for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're quite frankly in denial. Right over here we have our rarest elephant in the entire jungle. It's the African bull elephant. You'll never see anything like that in our jungle ever again. Oh. Have you guys seen an orange? We're now approaching into the African boat where it looks like we got quite a good selection of animals out here today. Let's see. We got some gazelles, some giraffes, some gazebras, some canoes, some Goliaths. Oh, how sweet is that family of Goliaths watching over that stripy horse as he sleeps. He looks so tired. I think he's a little I'm old enough to start a fight with a rhino. They always get their point across. In the end. Could be worse, guys. You guys could be the zebra. Oh. We're now entering into the hippo pool, but don't worry. Hippos are only dangerous if they're wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. Oh. I think they might want to charge. You know what? It's important that I only take cash. I'll scare them off. I'll have everyone cover their ears for me. I really scared them off. They didn't come out. And I just saved all your lives. You guys are so welcome. Ooh, if I have any animal lovers on board, not to worry. Just like my mind, those shots completely blank.
Okay.
Oh, a couple chairs found a nice place to crash. Whatever floats there, bro. And coming up on yours. Look, you're gonna see a couple of love bars. Butterflies are what they used to be. Caterpillars. But they left the box open. I wonder what they did with all the fleas. We're now approaching into the eighth wonder of the world. It's the best of water! 028! 028! 028! That was just a little chemistry note for you guys. I tend to do that periodically. You know, something seems kind of fishy here. Yeah, no bones about it. Or hold not session. Oh, dude, it's a python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. You want to know how I know it's a python and not a boa? No feathers. And what would be a jungle cruise without a jungle cruise souvenir? If you want something, you can find it right here at a reasonable price. You wouldn't believe what people are being strollers nowadays. And if you think that's water coming out of her nose, it's not. Alright, we approach back to the dock. Please do each and your hands, arms, feet, and legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat at all times. Once again, please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat at all times. We really don't want you guys to scratch our dock. And out of all of my cruise today, you guys have really been the most recent. No, I'm just kidding with you guys. You guys have been so outstanding, but I'm gonna need you guys outstanding out there on that dock. Hey, get out. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was so mean of me. Please, get out of my boat. If you guys are on the dock side, please exit out the front. If you guys are on the jungle side, please exit out the rear.